Alright guys, we got the Rlaarlo or Rlaarlo, or however the fuck you say it. This is a Ford Fiesta body. It looks lit. Look at this thing. This thing was apparently driven by Valentino Rossi, the actual thing of course. But looks amazing. Carbon fiber chassis, full premium build. Let's take a look on the inside. Wow.
Yeah, I'll just turn on the light.
Rlaarlo. Wow. That's without a gyro?
That's with gyro.
Wow. Okay, we got the GPS on the Rlaarlo. I'm saying over 70 for sure. Let's see how much we get. Strapped in the GPS there. Yeah, on standard pinion, not speed pinion, everything stock, full stock. Alright, Captain, let's go. Alright. Clear. Rlaarlo, Ford Fiesta rally car. Speed test. Yeah, that's definitely not 80. That was max throttle. Not bad at all. Super stable.
Not even using throttle.
That's insane. I wish my Vendetta tracked like this. Alright, let's see what we got. What do we got? 62, 62.8.
Oh, not bad.
Not bad at all. 62.8 on stock. Amazing.
It just behaves like an actual rally.
Wow, I can see that, bro. I can see that. Let's see the backlights now. Hit it. The backlights. Oh,